The iPhone 18 Pro Max just leaked, and it looks like Apple is finally making some massive changes. We're talking about a smaller dynamic island, a beastly new A20 Pro chip, and a battery that's pushing boundaries we haven't seen before. If you've been waiting for the true next-gen upgrade, this is it. Here is every spec, the new pricing, and the confirmed launch window. What's up, guys? We have CAD leaks, supply chain data, and full spec breakdowns for the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max. Today, I'm going to walk you through the new design, the camera revolution, the 2nm chip performance, and why Apple is shaking up their entire release schedule this year. Should you hold onto your current phone or get ready to pre-order? Let's dive in. First off, design. We aren't getting a total overhaul. Apple is sticking to that premium, flat-edge titanium look. However, the front is where the magic happens. We're looking at a smaller dynamic island, thanks to Apple moving some Face ID components directly under the display. It's going to feel much more immersive. We're also getting that gorgeous 6.9-inch LTPO plus OLED display, which is going to be even more power efficient. And for the color lovers, we're expecting a new signature dark cherry finish that looks incredible. The camera is the real story here. The big rumor? A variable aperture main camera. This is a physical iris that lets you control light just like a pro mirrorless camera. It's not just a software trick. Combined with the triple 48MP setup and potential new stack sensor technology, low-light photography is expected to be a massive leap forward. If you're a vlogger or travel photographer, this is the hardware shift you've been waiting for. Under the hood, we're moving to the A20 Pro chip. This is Apple's first 2nm processor. What does that mean for you? Roughly 15% faster performance and 30% better energy efficiency. Plus, with 12 gigabytes of RAM rumored across the board, multitasking and on-device AI are going to be snappier than anything we've seen on a mobile device. Battery life is getting a huge boost, potentially reaching up to 5,500 milliamp hours, the largest we've ever seen in an iPhone. It's likely going to be a bit heavier, pushing past 240G, but the trade-off for multi-day endurance is worth it for most users. We're also keeping a close watch on the switch to Apple's proprietary C2 modem, which should significantly improve connectivity and power efficiency. Now for the numbers. Apple is expected to announce the Pro models on September 9th, 2026, with store availability following on September 18th. Keep in mind, this year is different. The standard iPhone 18 is being pushed to 2027, so the September event is all about the Pros. Pricing is expected to start around $1,399, a $100 hike for the Pro Max, largely due to the new 2nm chip costs. So should you wait? If you're coming from an iPhone 14 or 15, this is the massive jump you've been waiting for. Between the variable aperture camera, the A20 Pro's efficiency, and the monster battery, the Pro Max is looking like the definitive powerhouse of 2026. If you need a phone today, grab the 17, but otherwise, definitely wait for September. Which upgrade are you most hyped for? The variable aperture camera or that massive battery life? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for our upcoming comparison. iPhone 18 Pro Max versus the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.